Password profiles define the rules applied when managed passwords are generated. There are default predefined profiles, or you can create your own custom profile. Let's see how to do it. Log into the admin portal and under Settings, Resources, select Password Profiles. You can see the various built-in password profile types here. In order to add your own password profile, click on the Add button and provide the profile name, a description, and whatever the characteristics of the password that are required, and click on Save. You can see that the required profile has been added. Have any questions on PAM integration? Contact Sennovate for seamless integration of custom privileged access management solutions. Learn more about Sennovate secrets in our next video. Follow us to stay updated.